Hey team, real quick tripod tutorial in case you forgot. These are the tripods that we're keeping in the Event Tech inventory. They're really nice Manfrottos that are easy to use. So just pull that up so it's out of your way. Pull up the legs. They're all going to pull out equidistant. You don't have to worry about that like you did with the tripods that we were previously using. Turn the knob there and release it, and do that for all of the legs. It's helpful to just let gravity do the work for you if you hold it up and release and then tighten. So you'll pull out all of the legs so that it is standing to the height that you want it. You can use this knob to adjust the height of the centerpiece here if that's necessary, and then you'll screw the camcorder on to the plate. Remember to screw that on using the small knob first and then adjust with the larger knob. When you are done with your recording, you will unscrew the camcorder and break down the tripod. So easiest way to do that is just to bring the legs relatively back in and then twist, and again let gravity do the work for you, and collapse all the pieces and parts that you had pulled out and put it back in the bag.